friends, this is Aishwarya from freshersworld.com. Welcome to our YouTube channel on Jobs and Careers. The topic that we are going to look today is ages part 3. In the previous videos of ages, we got to know the basic concept of ages and we have solved a couple of simple sums. So from this part, we will be solving a bit tougher problems to understand the concept much better and to see what are the problems that you can face in ages. So let's go to the problem. So the question that they have given us, a man has 2 sons. Presently, man's age is thrice the sum of the ages of his 2 sons. 5 years hence, the father's age will be twice the sum of the ages of his sons. What is the age of the father? So as I have told you in the previous videos, you have to split the question in the ages to understand it much better. So first they have given a man has 2 sons. Let's take the father is nothing but X, son 1 is Y and son 2 is nothing but Z. So this is one part. Presently, the man's age is thrice the sum of the ages of his son. So, present age of man is nothing but thrice the ages of his son, which is nothing but 3 of Y plus Z. This can be also written as Y plus Z is equal to X by 3. So, let's keep it aside. Next part they have given as 5 years hence, the father's age will be twice the sum of the ages of his sons. So, this is the next part of the question. 5 years hence. Hence is nothing but after 5 years. So, plus 5. So, 5 years hence, the father's age will be twice the sum of the ages of his son. Twice. Sons is nothing but Y and Z. So, Y plus 5 plus Z plus 5. So, let's just simplify it. So, X plus 5 is equal to 2 into Y plus Z plus 10. So, this can be rewritten as X plus 5 is equal to 2 Y plus Z plus 20. So, let's take the 5 that side. So, X is equal to 2 into Y plus Z plus 15. So, we know that Y plus Z is nothing but X by 3. So, we are going to substitute it there. So, X is equal to 2 into X by 3 plus 15. So, it becomes 3x is equal to 2x plus 45. So, I am cross multiplying it and making it a common denominator. So, the 3 goes here. So, it becomes 3x is equal to 2x plus 45. So, 3x minus 2x is equal to 45 and x is equal to 45. So, what is x? X is nothing but father's age. So, father's age is nothing but 45 years. So, what did we do here? Once we get the question, we split the question, wrote it into 3 equations. First is devising a very constant to that, then first equation, then the second equation. So, once you know the equation, it will be very easy for you to find the unknown variable. So, let's solve another type of problems to understand the ages concept better. So, the next question that they have given is, consider 5 siblings born apart by 3 years each. If the sum of the ages of the children is 50 years, what is the age of the youngest child? So, as I have told earlier, split the question. Consider 5 siblings born apart by 3 years each. So, let's first consider them. So, sibling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, they are saying the difference between the siblings is nothing but 3 years each. So, each of them has 3 years of difference. Let's take sibling 1 as the eldest and sibling 5 as the youngest. So, how to solve this sum? So, we know that let's consider sibling 5 as x. We know the difference between the sibling 4 and sibling 5 is nothing but 3 years. So, obviously sibling 4 will be 3 years older to sibling 5. So, it will be x plus 3. So, now we consider youngest sibling and the sibling 3. The difference between the sibling 4 and sibling 5 is 3 and between sibling 3 and sibling 5 is nothing but 6 years. How? Because the difference between each of them is 3 years. So, we are adding 3 years of this and then 3 years of this. So, it becomes x plus 6. Now, consider the sibling 2. So, we know that the difference between them is 3 years and 3 years each. So, it becomes 3 plus 3 plus 3, which will be x plus 9. So, sibling 5 is nothing but 9 years younger than the sibling 2. So, let's take sibling 1. Sibling 1 is nothing but the addition of all these years, which is nothing but 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is nothing but x plus 12. So what are these? So we have considered sibling 5 as x, and we are seeing the age difference of each of them. So sibling 4 is 3 years older than x, sibling 3 is 6 years older than 5, and sibling 2 is 9 years older, and sibling 1 is 12 years older. Let's go to the next part of the question. If the sum of all the ages of the children is 50 years, what is the age of the youngest child? So we have to find is nothing but the youngest child. Now they are asking sum of all their ages is 50 years, which is nothing but addition of all this is going to be 50 years. So add it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x plus 12 plus 9, 21, 27, 30 is equal to 50. 5x is equal to 30, we are taking that side. 50 minus 30 is 20, and x is equal to 4 years. So the age of the youngest child is nothing but 4 years. So what did we do in this question? First we split it across, then we wrote the 5 siblings and we found the age difference between them. Second part of the question told addition of all these ages is 50. So we equated it to 50 and find the unknown variable x. X is nothing but the youngest child age. So we know the youngest child age is 4 years. In this video, we discussed about 2 different sums to understand their concept better. In the upcoming videos, we will be solving much tougher problems on ages to understand this concept overall better. So if you are a person who is looking for a job, kindly register in our freshersworld.com, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.